at Historic Bessey Nursery talking about one of the most wonderful historic projects and places with Richard Gilbert, who is nursery manager.
Yep.
So Richard, what is the mission for Bessey Nursery?
So our mission is to produce high quality seedlings for reforestation, restoration, and conservation purposes. And that includes, we're covering Rocky Mountain region, which covers Colorado, Wyoming, South Dakota, Nebraska, and Kansas. And then we supply seedlings to all of the plain states, or at least the surrounding states, for conservation purposes.
Why is it important to do this particular work with conservation species?
Yeah, it is extremely important with the conservation species. We're getting out there and getting the proper plant material here in Nebraska, doing habitat restoration, and reforestation here in Nebraska. I think a lot of folks know about the spotted tail fire in 2006 up there in Chadron. We produce all of the ponderosa pine seedlings going up there because a lot of those areas burnt so hot that it cooked all the seed that was in the ground. And we have the backup seed here at Bessey Nursery stored in the Region 2 seed bank. So it's important for those reasons, along with we have the proper genetics for each of these locations. So we're not going to move ponderosa pine seed from Nebraska over to Colorado. We've got a little over 800 different seed lots in the seed bank to be able to meet those demands here in the Rocky Mountain region.
The wonderful thing I think about this kind of a conservation program is to be able to tell future generations, you don't have to get a hybridized something or other. Instead, you can have trees that are from here.
Yep, that's right. Yeah, having your native specific ecotype to your locations is critical. It really is. Those plants are going to do by far the best. They're adapted. They know what's coming for them. And if you have a fire in that area, they're probably adapted to it.
So Richard, a project that you are proudest of?
Some of my projects that I've been most proud of, along with all of my nursery staff, has been working on replanting after fires up at Valentine and then Chadron. It's just a wonderful experience to be able to be part of the legacy of Bessey Nursery and a botany professor, Charles E. Bessey, that came up with this. We love growing the blowout penstemon here in Nebraska. We're one of the sole producers and have it shipped out to the Fish and Wildlife Service and also to the Ranger District here. Where do you go wrong with that one? One of the only penstemon that has a wonderful vanilla smell to it. And if folks want to take a sniff, they can stop at the office up here, and we've got plants in bloom right now just outside of the office. Your
heart should sing over a job.
Yeah.
What is it about this place that makes your heart sing?
I really enjoy being a farmer and producing plants. We get to see what we do from start to finish. And that is extremely rewarding, not only for me, but my nursery staff. We all of us love it. And that's why the staff, you can look around here and see all the different plants we have and what we produce for the conservation districts and the U.S. Forest Service. They really take pride in what they do, and all of us absolutely love doing what we do.
This is just wonderful, and Richard, we are so pleased that you were able to share this with us. So we can share it for future generations.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.